So definitely, I mean, this is the Steam Deck. Let's install Portal, the original Portal. See how long this takes. It's reserving it in the system memory. It's downloading it. Might take a while. It's over 2 gigabytes. Classic Portal. Super fun game. Seen a really cool Steam Deck vinyl skin that was Portal themed on the Steam Deck subreddit. I'll link that down below if you're interested in skins. Deep Brand has a bunch of really cool skins. I've been thinking about getting one. If I do that, I'll definitely have a tutorial video on how to apply the skin to the deck. The speed's pretty decent, all things considered. I have seen some people tether. I guess tether isn't the right word, but use a Ethernet, a USB Ethernet adapter, and connect directly over Ethernet. And the speeds, I mean, it's just as fast as it would be on any computer. So bottlenecked here because I'm sharing the Wi-Fi locally, but it's going at a decent speed. So we're already over halfway there. All right, looks like it is installed. It's verifying the files that it's downloaded. Really need to get on these achievements. Only 5 out of 15. This gives me an excuse to play Portal again, I think. It's been a few years since I played it last. Now it's downloading content. What does that mean? I thought we just did download content. But it's moving along, so that's good. '83. Are we gonna play Portal? Oh man, here we are. Oh, I'm so excited.